Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, where it is all about Amazon KDP, building passive income streams and living a life of financial freedom. Today I have a quick video for you guys because I was able to get a great deal with Helium10. Helium10 is a research tool for Amazon KDP or in whole for the Amazon business. You have so much potential. It is by far the best research tool for this business, but it's very expensive. You have the basic version for $40 a month and the platinum version for $99 a month. You can do different researches like, for example, the best products are the Black Box, Cerebro, and Magnet. With Magnet, you can type in whatever keyword you want and you get all the Amazon suggestions with all the search volumes, the trends, whatsoever. It's a very great tool to make niche and key research. For example, we are typing in crossword, so it makes the data and it would show us how much search volume this keyword has, what is the trend, is it worth it to use it. You can jump directly into Amazon and show you the books. So as you can see, crossword has on the American marketplace a search volume of 56. And as I mentioned, I have a great deal with Helium10. So for the people who making a good amount of money with their business, who are searching for the premium tool Helium10, and for the people who want to invest a little money, I have two codes for you. So the first code is MKPublishing50. It gives you 50% of the subscription price for the first month. And the second code is MKPublishing10 for 10% every month for the lifetime. So what I recommend, use the code MKPublishing50 for the first month. You only pay for the platinum version $40. Use it as much as possible, do the niche research whatsoever, and then pause the subscription. You can pause it every time you want. And then if you want to reactivate your subscription plan, you can contact the support and write them an email that they should use the code MKPublishing10, and then they will add it to your subscription plan and you will only pay for the platinum version $80 a month. So a great deal for the people who are making good amount of money, who want to scale their business. Use the code. Thanks to everybody who's clicking on the link down in the section below. There's nothing more about to say. I wish you all the best and we will see us in the next video.